marry an Igbo lady in Igbo land, you don't just propose to her and take her to the court or take her to the church and you marry her like that. No, it is not done in Igbo land. Cha 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 cha, Igbo kwenu. Hey, Igbo kwenu. Hey, asinu Igbo kwezwenu. Hey, wait. Let me come with something modern. Ndị be anyị ndewonu. Afa m bụ Nwada Awuku Chidera. Aha ejiri mara m bụ Dera Gizel. Yeah. So ndị be anyị abịara m ebe a taa ịkọwatara unu ihe ndị chọrọ ịlụ nwaanyị Igbo na-eme. Oge ugbu a aga m amalite ịsụwa asụsụ Bekee maka ndị nọ ebe a na-amaghị asụ asụsụ Igbo. So before you marry an Igbo lady in Igbo land, you don't just propose to her and take her to the court or take her to the church and you marry her like that. No, it is not done in Igbo land. As long as the young lady you are getting married to is an Igbo lady, she's of Igbo origin, you have to go through 4 different steps. And in this particular video, I am going to be explaining the concept of Ikwaka or Ijuase or Ijuese in some people's dialects. Young man, when you have proposed to your girlfriend, or if there was no proposal at all, as long as the both of you have agreed that you want to get married to each other, you don't just go and marry her and go like that. You have to go to her father's compound with your father and some of your relatives. And in a case whereby your father is no more again, you are going to have to go to her father's compound with any old male, like any male you look up to in your family, maybe an elder in the family, with some other relatives. They have to go to her father's compound. In the olden days, it used to be families that would even discuss marriage talk, like 2 young people have no business deciding whether they will marry each other. It was minimal then. It's the families that usually come together and decide that they want to do this wedding thing. So this is the first step, the Ikwaka or Idrese. Ikwaka is just like the literal meaning, like translating it to English, is knocking on the door, and it's popularly called introduction. First of all, introduction, as our popular Olamide, a Nigerian musician, sang. Yeah. So first of all, introduction, you have to go to their place, and when going for Ikwaka, you are not expected to go with everything on the list, but you can go with some cola and maybe a bottle of drink to indicate interest and tell them that you have seen a ripe fruit in their compound and you have come to pluck it. Is anybody understanding what I am saying? Yeah, so you go for the introduction, and the introduction, after the introduction phase, there's something called Idrese. In the modern age, some people have begun to overlook this Idrese thing, but the importance of Idrese cannot be overemphasized. Yeah, Idrese is just like making enquiries, and people do Idrese for different reasons. How they usually do Idrese, most people, is they will send a male from their family or 2 males from their family to the girl's village. Yes, especially when that person is from a village that, like, you guys are not from the same village and you know the family. Let's say you are from Imo State and you're marrying a man from Abia State. The people from Abia State, normally according to Igbo culture and tradition, the people from Abia State are supposed to come to Imo State without even informing your family. And the person you are dating or the person you are about to marry is not even supposed to let you know that his family is sending somebody to your village to go and ask questions to know whether they will pull head. It's just like going to make, when you go, if you get to the village, you can ask maybe 1 or 2 people in the village ask about the family, make inquiries. Do they have any generational traits? Is their reputation at stake? Is the family excommunicated from the community already? Is it a good family? This and this and that. Each USA has its advantages and it also has its disadvantages, because imagine your husband going to your village now and going to ask questions, and one bad belle, one very wicked village uncle is the person he meets, and he now asks the village uncle now fabricates stuff, which is why it's advisable when whoever is going to your wife's place for EJSA or vice versa, it is advisable that that person asks from different sources, not just one source. Yeah, so they usually go and check whether this place is worth putting head into before they proceed to any other stage in the marriage of the girl. I need to note something important. Ijase is not one-sided, it is two-sided. The girl's family has to take it upon themselves to send somebody to the village that their daughter is about getting married into to ask questions. Makana diha mama. Anyways, everyone watching me, I hope you understand the first concept, which is the Ikwaka and the Ijuese. Yes, in the next video I'm going to be making on the processes of marrying a wife in Igbo land. I'm going to be talking about the next stage of getting married to an Igbo woman, and which is why I want you to subscribe to this channel you are watching now. Yes, subscribe. Stay tuned for more beautiful and wonderful content from your favorite Igbo, Awuku Chidera, aka Dera Giselle, and I'm going to be seeing you in the next video. For now, bye bye.
Muscle with the racing stripe. 4 chicks wonder where I duck off late at night. Product getting rare. Now I gotta raise the price. Went behind my back. Now I gotta take your life. I hear him talk with not enough experience to draw from. Horses go crazy, yeah, the whip need a dart. You don't want smoke with me, I got dark lungs. Ain't no rotation, but I finish if you start some spark one. How you get the pants to sit over the shoes perfect? House got acres behind the gates, I lose service. The vacation got me feeling like a new person. Got it home at a discount like a used purchase. Put me under pressure and that's when I do my best work. Put too much gelato in the leaf, now my chest hurt. When I'm talking money, I sound like an expert. The real Birdman, this ain't Cash Money Records. Thought you was a boss till you got you a label advance. Doing what you told every time they made they demand. Easily I solve all problems they can't understand. Way too much class like I'm in here raising my hand. It ain't even autumn, I'm still over here raking it in. The only way you ever getting rich is by taking a chance. Got it to attach, she want the 93 baby, and she got the V8. How she driving me crazy? Twin turbo in the 5.7, got me speed racing. Game full of goons, all crooked like they need brace. Left wrist 33 degrees like a Freemason. Right wrist do the cooking with the Louis V bracelet.
Come again, and this time I bring knowledge, information, and good news. What am I looking for? Say my God, he don't bless you. He giving me you, giving me. Igbo kwenu, hey! Igbo asị unu kwenu, hey! Igbo kwezenu.
The Umuna stage of marrying an Igbo woman.
Ndewonu ndị be anyị o. Abịagokwanụ m ọzọ. Ndị be anyị, aha m bụ Awuku Giselle Chidera. Aha ejiri mara m ofuma awụ Dera Gizel. Tatabu Ubochi Oma Chineke Kereke. I am here to give you guys information about the steps involved in marrying an Igbo lady. I made a video on this channel earlier, so you can go watch it, about the first step in marrying an Igbo lady, because there are 4 steps. Whether the groom is from Igbo land or from Yoruba land or from Hausa land or from Urhobo, Ishekiri, Edo, whatever tribe, whatever race, whether he's from Morocco, whether he's from Mexico, this is how he marries an Igbo woman traditionally. So today I'm going to be talking about the second step, which is called Umunna. Yeah, Umunna means relatives, like male relatives from the girl's side. By relatives, I don't just mean your direct uncle, your cousin, your father's senior brother, or something like that. I mean people that all of you descended from the same great grandfather up to the 7th, 8th, even 10th generation. Yes, that is what is called Umunna, or even more. So you're not just supposed to go to the girl's father and he gives you consent and you just take her and go. No, you're supposed to see these male relatives that are from the girl's side. So after the first step, which is Idris and Ikwaka that I explained in the video before this one, the girl's family is actually supposed to have also done their Idris. If you not do your own Idris, it's at your own risk. If your daughter should get married to a family that is known for trouble and your daughter enters into a chaotic marriage, that's your own. So the girl's family is supposed to have already gone to make their findings, to find out about so many things about the groom's family, and when they are satisfied that yes, my daughter is getting married into a good family, I can trust this young man, I can trust this family with my daughter, the bride and groom's family will discuss, and when they discuss, they are going to set a date for this Umunna thing. The guy is going to come with some family members, yes, both extended and immediate family members. He's supposed to come with them. They will come to the girl's father's house to come and see the people that they want to marry their daughter. Yes, in Igbo land, marriage is not a thing of immediate family. No, it's not done that way, except it's only cost wedding you're doing, or you're just going for a low-key white wedding. As long as you want to marry that Igbo lady traditionally, it involves the whole community. By community, I mean the whole Umunna. Like I said, up to the 10th generation or even more. Yes, so when you come to the Umunna, you're supposed to come with some little gifts like kola nut, drinks, maybe palm wine, small things that you guys will just use. And although nowadays some people do all of this at once, but these are the steps that are actually supposed to be followed. Yes, so when you come, you guys are going to discuss, and then it's on that day that you guys will collect the list. You will officially collect the bride price list. In Igbo land, you don't just come and pay the bride price, like just pay the money and go. There are some things that come with the bride price. It varies across different Igbo villages. For some villages, you come with yam, wrappers, drinks, schnapps, a goat, different things. You're supposed to come with different things. Yeah, so that is when you collect that list to know the things you're going to buy, and you start planning yourself. And that is the time that you guys are going to slate out a given date or a given period of time for the imego, which is the official payment of the bride price. And on this note, I want to give you guys this good information. We are going to be talking about the imego in the next video. So if you have not subscribed to this channel, you're on a long thing. You're missing out. Honestly, you're missing out. So subscribe to this channel, turn on your post notifications, because we're coming back with the next process. Hey, it's not easy to marry an Igbo woman, no. So I'm just here giving you this information for free. So click on that red subscribe button, click on the bell beside it, and akamafu na videos on our piano. Iwatago, Godin. motor anymore. Because I pull up in the motor with that song. With the favorite. Oh, man. Oh, yeah, but I pick up your cell. He favorite.
The imego stage of marrying an Igbo woman.
Ndị be anyị njem ọnụ ekelekwe m unu. Aha m bụ Awuku Gizel Chidera, a na-akpọkwa m Dera Gizel, aha ejiri mara ma mara. Tata bụ ụbọchị ọma Chineke na-bi n'eluigwe kere eke. I'm here to explain to you the processes involved in marrying a lady of Igbo origin. So, if you are new here or this is the first video you are seeing about this, I have already explained the first two processes in two earlier videos on this channel, so do well to go watch them and do well to subscribe so that you can be notified when the remaining parts is uploaded. So Ndomam, whether you are Igbo or you are not Igbo, when marrying an Igbo lady, there are 4 steps involved in marrying her. So the third step I'll be talking about today is the imego. Yes, once you pay a woman's bride price, an Igbo lady's bride price, she's yours. Okay, I'm joking, but like she's now your wife. The imego involves you coming with your umonna, that's your male relatives. You will go to the girl's father's house and you guys are going to be negotiating the bride price. Yes, the bride price is usually included in the list. Yes, and for different villages across Igbo land, imego and the main Igbo, they are intertwined, they are connected. Some people do it on the same day nowadays. Most people don't do imego, now go and come back and do Igbo. Most people do it on the same day nowadays. So it involves paying the bride price, your umonna, we sit down with her umonna. And when that umonna meeting is being held, no female is supposed to be there. Yes, including the girl's mother. It is only the girl's father. Even if the girl has a 1-year-old younger brother or cousin, he can be there as long as he's male. I don't know if you get, yes, because when my cousin was getting married, her younger brother was there. Her younger brother that is like how many years younger than her, maybe 8 years or even 10 years younger than her. He was there. So even a small male child can be there while they are discussing and bargaining and dragging, but a female is not supposed to be there. In fact, the only female that's supposed to enter into the room where they are bargaining the bride price is the lady. When they call her, when they beckon on her to come and ask her whether they know these people or should they collect the money. Yeah, so they're supposed to call her and beckon on her before a stranger will come and marry her. I've never heard of that, but that's how they do it. And after that, the bargaining is going to begin. For most villages across Igbo land, the bride price is usually not very tangible. It's usually small. Like the main money in my village, they collect around 100 naira, 200, 500. That's the highest they collect. In some villages, they collect as low as 20 naira, 25 naira, 30 naira. The thing that makes Igbo marriage process to be very, very expensive is the things on the list. In a case where the marriage fails and the bride and groom decide that they are no longer interested in being married to each other, the family of the bride is supposed to return that particular amount to the family of the groom. They are not supposed to return the things on the list. So if you are going to marry an Igbo lady and they are getting on that list and all of that, if the marriage ends, you are not getting the things on the list back. You are getting back that money, that bride price. Yes, it's symbolic. That's the money. It's not like it's worth every penny that the parents spent on their daughter, but they just use it. In my maternal home, what they usually do is that they will tell you to bring about maybe 10,000 naira. When you bring that 10,000 naira, they're just going to pick one note from it and return the rest to you, and they tell you that we are returning this money. Use it and look after our daughter. When next she's coming to visit, when next we see her, she should not be looking depreciated. She's supposed to have added weight. She's supposed to be looking fresher than how she looked when she was in her father's house. I don't know if you get it. Varies across different villages, but the imeko is the official bride price. And once you do this, the woman is your wife. Can somebody shout hallelujah? Yeah, so if you want to learn about the last process in marrying an Igbo woman, subscribe to this channel. Stay tuned to this channel. So till I come your way next time, stay safe, keep on being fine. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and bye bye.